Hey YouTube, so I never took a video of my truck with its new wheels. These are the 24x14s. For some reason on this video, the wheels look very coppery, but in real life they're way more pink, like a purplish pinkish color in real life, but here they look super copper. But either way, they're the RBP Atomics. These are the ones that y'all and many others helped me win. If it wasn't for you guys, I would not have these right now. And she looks amazing in them. Love, love, love the look. She has 35s on them. She does rub when I turn. I think I just have to file a little bit of plastic down and we'll be fine. Yeah, I still gotta get that fixed. Anyways, I wonder if I could change the setting of this video so it looks more like it does in real life. Let's see if you can see me in here. Hey. But yeah, those are the new shoes. I got amps for them. Got the amps through Brian Motorsports and wheels through Rolling Big Power. Looks pretty nice. And normally I change the colors now. I don't leave it on that bright pink. I was just messing with it, so it ended up being on pink, but focus. Okay, there we go. Usually I try to leave it on like super light pink so it kind of matches the wheels, because trust me, they're actually pinker in person. Or I put them like on a whitish. Fortunately, these headlights and light bar are RGBs, so they don't really go white. It's kind of like super light blue. Yeah, she looks pretty darn good, if you ask me. I'm pretty proud of her. I want to figure out the GoPro. Maybe I'll take a video with some rolling shots. So wheels again. Tell me what you think.